This test is given to determine whether an applicant possesses the required coordination, strength, and speed of movement necessary in the police service. Passing the physical agility test only indicates the minimum physical ability required to undertake the police training. Only 686 passed the physical agility test and then took the psychological psychiatric examination. Psychological evaluation consists of an individual oral interview and evaluation of behavior, especially given under stress, which are commonly related to the job of a police officer. Only 564 passed the psychological psychiatric examination and were able to proceed to the physical, medical, dental examination and then took the drug test. The last step of the recruitment process is the final deliberation, in which the result of the complete background investigation is presented. To be considered for hiring, the applicants must have successfully passed all the steps of the recruitment process. Out of 852 applicants from the beginning of the recruitment process, only these 4